The topic for today is how to uninstall 3ds Max 2025. Let's search for the control panel. Click on the control panel. Let's maximize the window. Click on the uninstall program. Here you can see the multiple 3ds Max components installed during installation. For identifying the 3ds Max components, check the publisher and install date. Let's click on the retopology tool for 3ds Max 2025. Click on uninstall. After clicking, a confirmation window will appear. Click yes. After clicking, it will start the uninstallation process. Next, click on Max to A for 3ds Max 2025. Click on uninstall. After clicking, a confirmation window will appear. Click yes. After clicking, it will start the uninstallation process. Next, click on Autodesk Advanced Modeling Tools for 3ds Max 2025. Click on uninstall. After clicking, a confirmation window will appear. Click yes. After clicking, it will start the uninstallation process. Next, click on Adobe Substance 3D for 3ds Max 2025. Click on uninstall. After clicking, a confirmation window will appear. Click yes. After clicking, it will start the uninstallation process. Next, click on Autodesk Access. Click on uninstall. After clicking, it will prepare for uninstallation. When the preparation is complete, click on uninstall. After clicking, it will start the uninstallation process. Click on finish. Next, click on Autodesk 3ds Max 2025. Click on uninstall. After clicking, it will start preparing for uninstallation. After initialization, it will show you all the 3ds Max components that are going to be uninstalled. Click on uninstall. After clicking, it will continue the uninstallation process. This 3ds Max software is large in size and may take a little bit of time to uninstall based on your PC configuration, so be patient. Let's fast forward this portion. After successful uninstallation, a confirmation message will appear. Click Finish. You can see that after uninstallation, 3ds Max 2025 is still visible. Let's click Refresh. Next, click on Autodesk Identity Manager. Click on Uninstall. After clicking, a confirmation window will appear. Click Yes. After successful uninstallation, a confirmation window will appear. Click OK. Next, click on Autodesk Genuine Service. Click on Uninstall. After clicking, it will ask for an uninstallation confirmation. Click Yes. After clicking, it will start an uninstallation process, which may not succeed because this program is for non-valid software protection. How to uninstall Autodesk Genuine Service is already explained in my previous video, whose link is given below. Click Close, and the uninstallation process will cancel. So in this process, you can do Autodesk 3ds Max 2025 clean uninstallation. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.